Sarah and I recently got to visit the Nunne Boutique Hotel. Come with us as we show you around this new property in historic Tallinn, Estonia.
This is Khaki Shorts, where we cover travel, food, and just utter nonsense.
We spent one night in Tallinn after taking a ferry ride over from Helsinki, Finland. I booked this hotel online for a really good deal, $84 for one night. This is a pretty unique property as it is built next to the wall that surrounded the old town part of Tallinn. Check-in was smooth and we explored a bit of the hotel on our way to our room. They have a seating area and lounge as well as a restaurant which has pretty good online reviews. We debated eating here but ultimately found another spot a 5-minute walk away we wanted to try. The hotel is a bit of a maze as it is spread out over several existing buildings. The hallways are cool as some are built next to the remaining stone wall of Old Tallinn. One thing we really liked was that the lights in each hallway were motion activated, so lights were dimmed and energy was saved until someone needed lights to travel down that passage. After a few wrong turns, we finally found our room.
All right, this is our room 219. It took us a while to get here. It's a pretty good sized room, really high ceilings. Nice bed, 2 robes. That's nice, we were hoping for robes because it's really cold. Got a little coffee maker. Aw, some water and chocolates, that's kind of cool. Old-timey radiator. We have a courtyard view. It's the sitting area, the television. They even got a little thing with my name saying, "Thanks for staying." So over here we have, like putting your luggage on, there's a big, you got a room safe, have a refrigerator, got some wine glasses, and some whiskey glasses, wow. Nothing in the fridge. The safe doesn't want to stay closed, but other than that. Okay, and the bathroom. Pretty good sized bathroom. And a normal toilet. I like the looks of their sink. It's kind of cool. Shower's a corner shower, not huge, but does have a rain shower head and a handheld. And everything you need. It's a pretty cool room. Found something else kind of cool that we just realized. There is actually a floor heater for the bathroom. It's right here behind the door. Just flick the switch and then you can adjust the temperature using this little dial. So we had it turned all the way up to keep the bathroom floor nice and toasty for your feet. Okay, we have settled in. We were getting ready to head out for dinner and we will check out the bed and the bathroom and everything tonight and let you know how it is in the morning. Good morning, everybody. We had a good sleep last night. The bed is very, very comfortable, and I like that they have 2 types of pillows. They have a bigger one that's a bit fluffier, and they have another one that's smaller and it's a little flatter. So depending on whether you're a back sleeper or a side sleeper, they got a pillow that's gonna work for you. The shower, they got a rain shower and they have a handheld. Shower's super hot. I think we're actually the first people to use this room because they have the little squeeze bottles of shampoo, conditioner, and the body wash, and the caps were still on them. So I don't think anybody's even used this room before. This place just opened in August of 2023, they told us. So I don't think anybody's even used this room before because we're kind of off around one wing of this place. So I think we're the first ones in here. So we are sporting our snazzy robes this morning, have had a shower, and we are going to head down to breakfast, which I'm hoping it's pretty good. We're gonna find out, so let's go check it out. So I just got back from breakfast. That was one of the nicest buffet breakfast spreads I think I've ever seen, and it was included with the price. So we were headed to the, what's the name of this place? The castle? Cadrig Castle? Something like that. I don't know. We'll find it. It's around here somewhere. It's about a 30-minute walk from here, and it's just like 3 degrees maybe. It's going to be cold, so we have to pop in a couple of places and warm up. But anyway, thanks for coming along for our review here of the Nunne
Okay, before I embarrass myself any further, it is pronounced Nunne Boutique Hotel.
I don't know how to say this, but Nunne Boutique Hotel. So thanks for coming along. Be sure to like this video, hit the subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos about our retired life in Thailand and our trips around the world.